Well, we're studying sequences and series, and we're going to put a little focus here on arithmetic sequences. And we start off here, and this is going to correspond to page 599 in the textbook example 1, where we're asked to determine the common difference. Now, let me pause right there. And when we're dealing with an arithmetic sequence is characterized by there is a common difference. If I take, for instance, the second term of a sequence and subtract from it the first term, then I'm going to get a difference. And if I see that occurs, that same difference occurs with everything that I'm given, then I have satisfied myself that there is a common difference. And once we've established the common difference, well, then we can find the next four terms of each arithmetic sequence. So let's begin here. So we got a sequence here of, and it's infinite because we got dot, dot, dot. Got negative 129, negative 98, negative 67. And from that, we need to find the common difference. And then once we find the common difference, we are going to find the next four terms. So I would proceed on this by taking negative 98 and subtracting from it negative 129. Well, obviously, when I subtract negative 129, that's going to make that a positive. So I got negative 98 plus 129. And maybe I would put that in my calculator. And if I did, then I'm going to find that that is equal to 31. Now, I just want to verify, since I've been given three terms, that my third and second term are going to produce the same common difference. So let's say I got negative 67 minus negative 98. Well, that's going to make that a plus. And let's see, negative 67 plus 98, again, is going to give me 31. So my common difference is equal to 31 in this arithmetic sequence. Now from there, I can just take negative 67, that's my third term, I want to find the next four terms, plus 31. Well, that's going to equal negative 36. Then I take negative 36 plus 31, and that's going to equal negative 5. And then negative 5 plus 31 is going to give me 26, positive 26. And 26 plus 31 is going to give me 57. So my next four terms in this arithmetic sequence are negative 36, negative 5, 26, and 57 by applying the common difference of 31. Let's look at one more before we move on. All right, so again, we're being asked to do the same thing. It says determine the common difference. That's the first thing we got to do. And then once we find the common difference, find the next four terms in each arithmetic sequence. And of course, we're given that it's an arithmetic sequence. So again, I'm going to start by taking 187, and I'm going to subtract from it 244. And I probably want to get on my calculator and do that. And when I do, I'm going to find that 187 minus 244 is negative 57. And I just want to verify it. I'm actually told this is an arithmetic sequence. I probably don't have to do it, but it's always a good idea to make sure. Now I'm going to take the third term of the sequence, since I've been given three terms here, and I'm going to subtract from it 187. And this one's much easier to see, that my common difference again is negative 57. So my common difference is negative 57. And then I'm going to start with the third term and apply the common difference to find the next four terms. So 130 minus 57 is 373. 73 minus 57. Let's see, 13 from 7 is 6. I borrowed the 1, so it should be 16. 16 minus 57 is going to give me negative 41. And lastly, negative 41 minus 57. Got two negatives. I can just add the number, keep the negative, and that's going to be negative 98. And therefore, the next four terms, applying a common difference of negative 57, is 73, 16, negative 41, negative 98. Finding the common difference and finding the next number of terms in an arithmetic sequence.